Hey everyone. If you want to edit documents professionally in Microsoft Word using track changes and comments in 2026, this video is for you. I'll show you step by step how to use these features easily. First, open Microsoft Word and go to the Review tab. Turn on track changes so every edit you make is recorded automatically. Next, start editing your document. Every change will be highlighted so others can easily see what you modified. Now, choose how you want to view changes. You can switch between simple markup, all markup, or no markup depending on your preference. After that, select any text and click New Comment. This lets you leave feedback or suggestions inside the document. Next, you can reply to comments. This is useful when multiple people are collaborating on the same file. Now review the changes and either accept or reject them. This helps you finalize a clean and professional document. After that, turn off track changes when you are done editing. This stops Word from tracking new edits. Finally, save your document as a final version. Remove all markup before sharing it with others. So yeah, that's how you use track changes and comments in Microsoft Word in 2026. Follow each step carefully, and you'll be able to collaborate like a pro. And if this helped, don't forget to check out more Word tutorials for fast and easy guides. Hey everyone!